Very good. How are you today? I'm happy. Okay, let's start. What is it? Tomato. How about this one? Potato. Cucumber. Very good. Okay, now, where is the potato? Where is the potato? No. Very good. How about the cucumber? Where is the cucumber? Cucumber. Okay, this is the carrot. Cabbage. Broccoli. Okay, where is the carrot? Very good. Where is the broccoli? Where is the broccoli? Broccoli. And where is the cabbage? Okay, do you like carrots? Yes. Yes, I do.